The Tesla Model S has redefined the electric car market with its cutting-edge technology, impressive performance, and sleek design since its debut in 2012. It quickly became the go-to choice for those looking for a luxurious, high-performance electric vehicle. But like any complex machine, the Model S comes with its own set of potential issues that buyers and owners should be aware of. Whether you're considering purchasing a used Model S or already own one, understanding the common problems and how to spot them is essential to ensure you're making an informed decision. Let's take a closer look at the top 10 common problems that can affect the Tesla Model S and how to spot them. 10. Battery degradation. One of the main selling points of the Tesla Model S is its long-range electric battery. However, like all electric vehicles, over time the battery can degrade, leading to reduced range and performance. While Tesla batteries are built to last, some owners have reported a noticeable loss of range after several years of use, particularly in earlier Model S models. If you're noticing that your Model S isn't going as far on a single charge as it used to, or if the battery charge drops significantly faster than expected, it could be a sign of battery degradation. To check the battery health, keep an eye on the range reduction over time and monitor the vehicle's charge cycles. 9. Charging port and charging issues. The Tesla Model S uses a proprietary charging port that can sometimes cause issues, particularly if the charging cable gets stuck or fails to connect. Some owners have experienced problems with the charging port not making proper contact, preventing the vehicle from charging efficiently. This could be due to dirt, debris, or a faulty charging connector. If your car isn't charging properly, check the charging port for any visible damage or obstruction. Also, consider using Tesla's supercharger network, as third-party charging stations can sometimes provide inconsistent power delivery, causing charging interruptions. 8. Suspension and alignment issues. The Tesla Model S is equipped with an air suspension system designed to provide a smooth, comfortable ride. However, this system can be prone to problems over time. Some owners have reported issues with air suspension failure, which can result in the car sitting too low or too high, leading to a bumpy ride or poor handling. In some cases, the suspension can even become completely inoperable, causing the car to be stuck in one position. If you notice an uneven ride height, strange noises when driving, or poor handling, it may be a sign of suspension or alignment issues. Regularly check the suspension system for any visible wear or damage, especially around the air struts and airbags. 7. Screen and software problems. The Tesla Model S features a large, central touchscreen that controls everything from navigation to climate settings. While this display is one of the car's most impressive features, it's also a point of failure for some owners. Some Tesla Model S owners have reported issues with the screen freezing, flickering, or becoming unresponsive, often due to software glitches or hardware malfunctions. If you notice that the screen is malfunctioning or acting strangely, try restarting the system by holding down the buttons on the steering wheel. If the issue persists, it could be a hardware failure or a software update problem that requires service. 6. Brake wear and performance. While electric vehicles like the Model S use regenerative braking to reduce wear on traditional brake components, the brakes can still experience wear over time, particularly if the car is driven aggressively or frequently in stop and go traffic. Some Model S owners have reported issues with premature brake wear, leading to squeaking, reduced braking performance, or longer stopping distances. If you notice any unusual sounds when braking, such as squeaking or grinding, or if the brake pedal feels soft or unresponsive, it may be time to check the brake pads and rotors. Be sure to keep up with regular brake maintenance to avoid more serious issues down the road. 5. Door handle malfunctions. The Tesla Model S is equipped with motorized pop-out door handles that automatically present themselves when the car is unlocked. While this feature adds to the car's futuristic design, it has been known to malfunction, particularly in earlier models. Some owners have reported issues with the door handles failing to pop out, getting stuck, or becoming unresponsive. This can be caused by a variety of factors, including faulty motors, electrical issues, or physical obstruction. If the door handle becomes stuck or doesn't extend when you try to open the door, it could be a sign of a malfunction. Keep an eye on the handles, and if they stop functioning properly, have them checked by a professional. 4. Powertrain issues. The Tesla Model S has a powerful electric motor that provides instant torque and impressive acceleration. However, powertrain issues have been reported by some owners, particularly with the early versions of the car. These issues can include problems with the motor, inverter, or other drivetrain components, which can lead to a reduction in performance or even complete failure of the motor. If you notice unusual noises from the powertrain, a decrease in acceleration, or difficulty getting the car to move, it could be a sign of a more serious issue with the motor or inverter. Regularly checking the drivetrain for signs of wear or damage can help prevent these problems. 3. Paint and body panel issues. While the Tesla Model S boasts a sleek and luxurious design, some owners have reported problems with the paint quality and body panel alignment. Issues such as paint chipping, fading, or mismatched panel gaps have been observed, particularly in earlier production models. These issues are often cosmetic, but they can affect the car's overall appearance and value. If you notice paint peeling, discoloration, or visible gaps between the body panels, it may be a sign of poor manufacturing or wear and tear. While these problems are not typically functional, they can be expensive to repair and may require professional bodywork or paint corrections. 2. Autopilot and safety system glitches. Tesla's Autopilot system is one of the most advanced semi-autonomous driving systems available in a production vehicle. However, like any complex technology, it's not without its flaws. Some Tesla Model S owners have reported issues with the Autopilot system failing to recognize road markings, malfunctioning in bad weather, or disengaging unexpectedly. Additionally, some safety features, such as lane keeping assist or automatic emergency braking, may not always work as intended. If you notice the Autopilot system behaving erratically, or if the car fails to activate certain safety features, it may be a sign of a software issue or a malfunctioning sensor. Regular software updates and sensor calibrations can often resolve these problems, but in some cases, a visit to a service center may be required. 1. HVAC system failures. The heating, ventilation, and air conditioning HVAC system in the Tesla Model S is responsible for keeping the cabin comfortable, but it can sometimes fail to work properly. Some owners have reported issues with the HVAC system not producing cold or hot air, strange smells coming from the vents, or the system failing to respond to controls. This could be due to a malfunctioning blower motor, clogged air filters, or refrigerant leaks. If the cabin temperature is not maintaining the desired setting, or if you notice an unusual odor when the system is running, it may be time to have the HVAC system checked. The Tesla Model S is a remarkable vehicle, offering impressive performance, luxury, and advanced technology. However, as with any high-tech machine, it comes with its share of potential issues. Understanding the common problems that can arise, from battery degradation and charging issues to suspension and software malfunctions, will help you spot potential issues early and keep your Model S running smoothly. If you're thinking about purchasing a used Model S or are experiencing problems with your own car, it's crucial to stay on top of maintenance and seek professional help when necessary. Regular checkups and staying informed about the vehicle's needs can prevent more significant issues down the road. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights and tips on keeping your Tesla Model S in top condition. Keep your wheels in motion, and we'll see you in the next one.